Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Thorne versus Pure Encapsulations, two leading names in the supplement industry. Both companies are widely recognized for their commitment to producing high-quality dietary supplements. We'll delve into their distinct approaches to ingredient sourcing, manufacturing processes, and quality assurance. By the end, you'll have a clearer understanding of what each brand offers, helping you make an informed decision for your wellness journey. When it comes to quality control, both brands are exceptionally thorough. Thorne performs 4 distinct rounds of testing in their own laboratories, ensuring purity, potency, and stability from raw materials to finished products. They meticulously screen for over 700 contaminants. Pure Encapsulations also conducts extensive testing, checking raw materials for 32 solvent residues and herbal ingredients for 70 different pesticide compounds, ensuring a clean final product. Both companies emphasize ingredient purity, but with slightly different focuses. Thorne is known for its no list, avoiding artificial colors, flavors, and common fillers. Many of their products are NSF certified for sport, verifying they are free from over 270 banned substances. Pure Encapsulations specializes in hypoallergenic formulas, free from many common allergens and unnecessary additives. They are also NSF GMP registered, ensuring adherence to strict manufacturing practices. Deciding between Thorne and Pure Encapsulations often comes down to personal priorities. Thorne remains an independently owned company, emphasizing extensive research and a broad range of science-backed products. Pure Encapsulations, while offering excellent hypoallergenic options, is owned by Nestle, which some consumers consider. Both brands represent a premium investment in your health, so evaluate your specific dietary needs, allergen sensitivities, and budget to choose the best fit for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.